How to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to buy Bitcoin easy and fast with Etoro. So first thing we do, we go to etoro.com and this is the home page. Now if you want to buy Bitcoin, just go to the watch list right here and then go here, click here and choose crypto. Now you will find the Bitcoin here, click on it and choose the trade option right here in the blue and choose the amount that you want to invest. For example, let's say 7,000 and click open trade and make sure it's not sell, it's buy and click open trade. Now the order filled. I just bought 7,000 of Bitcoin. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching till the end.